Tara guys. La Tour CN Towers. Yung tao. Daladala siya flag. So, mani siya guys. CN Tower. Grabe. Taas kayo. Grabe tourist guys. Hindi kayo tao guys. Kani sa kay elevator guys. So, Manila Tour. CN Tower. Taas ang pila. Grabe kahayag. Sakay na siya, nagdala siyang flag. Saan na sila di ate? Linya. Ay. Made in Canada. Kapoy. Resume. So, Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. Kapoy. So, they are in line guys para manunod sa CN Tower. So, daghan kay nga tourists and local tourists. So, darang CN Tower guys. My God. Again. Grabe. Tao. Tao guys. So sorry dali sa CN Tower. No? Kani sila guys, kani naglinya guys. Mga tourists po ni sila guys. Dili ni sila locals usually. Tourists ni sila. Naglinya po sila guys. Init kayo. Mura mag-night concert. Concert siguro Tingog Mindanao diha. Bruce Pelaez na concert. Summerhill. O si Sky and Pride. Binigyan na lang. Darigihol sa CN Tower. Taas. Wow. Guys, tanaw sa tumoy guys oh. Sa tumoy, may tao. May tao ito. Sura. May tao. Oh, nagbabay-babay. Babay-babay ang tao guys. Oh my God. Oh, babay-babay. Guys, may tao guys, nagbabay-babay. Nasa sa edge. Oh. Ay, kita mo ana, nasa sa edge. Duha ka buok tao. May tao. Oh my God. Wapong tao dali guys. Tulog yung balot eh. Sa katong ito. Hardcase Carlos, nangitag way si Carlos na makapalit with ticket. Then, doon siya. Para makasulod mi sa CN Tower. Sexy pa kayo guys, no? Kay bata pa man. Mo yung ni ate gwapa kay sila tanaw, bata pa. Pero pag nagka-edad na sila guys, 30 na nagkuha na nila guys. Karon slim pa kayo na sila. Mga batanon dere. Kasi hatunodi ko palandong at Carlos Linya. Sarang light. Para sa siyan. Para manulod ni dia guys. Para manulod ni din ha guys. Yeah. CN Tower. Sabi niya sa amin. Mangga. So guys, the economy. Sulod. In the background of the Ripley's. Oh, guys, here's our ticket. We are near. Kapit na mi. Oh, street arts. Painting. Yeah. Street artist na.
No, hired by the government.
Oh, okay. So guys, ang amon ticket is for 2 o'clock. It's $1,400, so 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So pasulod na mi dari sa entrance. So yan, gina-wait pa. And the other line up there, over there is for the bus tour. See that line over there? Para siya sa mga bus tour na siya.
I had been inserted. Finally, we are in. Woo! Woo! Wapa kayo sila guys. Sa bata pa. So we are in. Hi! Right here guys. So they have to check the bags. Welcome guys. We're going in. Oh, ano siya? Yun guys. Entrance. Yeah, right here.
Yeah. We're here at the CN Tower. 360 restaurant, elevator. So medyo ngit-ngit. Marami ditong wow, padulong. Yan. Wow, ha? Kaya pag so this is it guys. So sulod kami guys na namin actually sa sulod sa CN Tower. There canoe and the gift shops over there, mga tao. So tuyok-tuyok mi guys. Tuyok. Cargo. Wow. Oh. So, mo to nindot karon di clear. Scan the code and post. Pwede naman siya i-post sa mga picture. Galing mga tao dito guys. So, daghan-daghan yun guys. Mga tao. Iya pa yung kamutan. So guys, nalawig guys, salud na po niyo. Nalad yung, sige naman, ito yung anyway. It's a maze. Yeah. It's a maze. So guys, kami pakita sa TV guys. Oh, wala na. Sa folklore na sa mga Indians, First Nation, especially itong mga Mississaugas. Ilang folklore. May pakita sa TV. So, mga souvenir shop, guys. So, dihami green na. Then, here's the souvenir shops around there, and here we are again.
When you go to a restaurant, it's a different
Different line.
line, and then it's just that you can just buy it.
So, they were inside. So, guys, sa new group, wala ang among group. Separated. I don't know. We are all waiting, guys. Dere. Yeah.
Welcome back to the CN Tower. We're currently traveling at 22 kilometers an hour, 15 miles an hour. We'll reach the main observation deck in approximately 58 seconds. When you're there, you'll be at 114 stories, that's 1,136 feet, or 346 meters. When you're there, you have access to the full main observation level as well as the lower observation levels. To get from one point to the other, you can either A, take the stairs, or B, come back to the yellow elevators and we'll help you go down that one level if you have a stroller or an accessibility need.
Can we have someone to pick up the VIP at the 360 restaurant, please?
You have access to and then the desk to go all the way to the top. Then on the lower observation level has the original glass floor as well as the outdoor terrace. To get and if you have any questions, please do ask uniformed staff. There are washrooms on both levels.
Ay, nabuwal ko guys. Nabuwal ko. So, we are here. So, we are here na guys. Kasi ate. So, here it is guys. Wow. Ate. Woo. Very nice guys. Yeah?
That's the Island Airport
Island Airport.
right there.
Oh, wow. Private airport.
Yeah, so they have a good sized plane, but not really big. Eh?
Yeah, over there.
Yeah, see? That's a good size.
Yeah.
But this is the Island Airport.
Mhm.
So you have to come downtown.
Yeah.
And there's a ferry that will take you across there,
Mhm.
and then you go.
Mm. So, wow.
So
Oh,
when they
Rogers,
they open it up,
Yeah.
you could actually see them playing baseball when the game is on,
Mm-hmm.
because it opens halfway. Eh?
Yeah. The train track.
The train tracks over there.
Yeah,
Union
the train
Station's on that side, right?
Yeah.
That's where they go. The water,
Yeah, over there.
just
Yeah.
behind that.
Oh.
That's where I work.
Ito yung trabaho si Kaloy. Ito sa may likod sa building dito.
The other side of all those
The other
buildings.
side of the building. So nice. Very nice. So, Morning Lake, Ontario, right?
That's Center Island.
Central Island.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's the ferry. See the ferry?
Yeah, yeah.
You catch it from Bay Street, takes you across,
Mm.
and then you can take a tour of the island.
Okay.
You got a
Wow.
good an airport here, right?
Yeah,
See it?
right there. The Bishop.
I'm ready to take off.
Dad. Pindot kayo guys. Kita ang Toronto, Central Island, and Lake, Toronto Lake.
That's the postcard.
Wow. Toronto Island, guys. So, mauli guys, no? So, wapo kami doon views, guys. Sumutuyok kami. Si ate, oh. Si ate. So, ano sila, guys? Puro po din sila day tour. Puro day tour, then mga tourist po din sila, guys. Same with me. So, dito siya tower. Tower.
Fasting is one below.
So, tao, guys. So, balhin mi, guys. Ngita mi glain. This is a 360 view, guys. It's a 360 view. So, dari na pod mi. Wow.
Train tracks sila.
Lagi, oh. Oh, night train coming, oh. Night train coming, guys.
So all that area there, see all those buildings?
Yeah.
Where is it? Yeah, that's Liberty Village. That was never there when I came to Canada. It was all factories. This is all new.
This one? Here?
All of this. It's
Whoa.
all new. There was nothing here.
Oh,
It was farm,
wow.
green land.
So, there's only a few people here.
Yeah,
Highway o gagmay kayo.
that's the highway. I come from work. I come this way, or go to work that way.
Grabe, guys. Doon ako sa inyo ni Carlos.
So now ready to take off. So many Bishop.
Ay, na yung aeroplano mulupad, guys. Wow, gamay sa yung runway.
Baby Bishop
Oh.
Airport gani. Sa live.
Ay mo, tuyok pa siya, te. Hindi naman yung runway. Tuyok pa yan.
Makuha naman ni dito na dyan sa city.
Kani guys, ingon ni Carlos guys, kana diha na area. Puro lang na siya kahoy. Farms. But now, tayo ng daghanang tao mo yun diri guys. Oh, see? Pag-abot nila Carlos diri sa una, wala pa ni puro pa lang ni kahoy. So it means dati pa lang gamayan tao sa una sa Canada. Swerte kay sila Carlos na abot diri mga 60s or 70s. So mga guys. God. Pindot kayo guys ay. Nice kaayo. Nice kaayo. Walang mano.
Sa katong Chicago, ay nani po sila. Nakapod niya ato nila chin-chin.
Chicago?
Nani po pag ilang
Pindot. Wala si Kaloy. Balhin pa. Balhin na punta na area. Wow. Woo!
City Hall, right there. Yeah, it has a showroom. You see that rooms there?
Ah, yeah. At the back of Sheraton. Yeah, the back of Sheraton. The City Hall.
Looks small here, eh?
Yeah. And the plaza over there.
Yeah.
Plaza. Kita niyo na guys. Kayang Sheraton Hotel. Oh, that's the Toronto City Hall.
There's a CBC building.
Yung sa baba na guys to, naraang katong plaza. Oh. So, wow. Ito tayo guys. Ayura nyo guys sa una. Ino ni Kaloy. Ayun lang tayo guys. Sabi. Ito na santa. So there they are, laate. The BM, oh. Whoa.
When I came to Canada,
Yeah.
the only thing here, or
Yeah.
they were building, is those 3 black buildings.
Those 3 blocks,
Yeah.
one,
Nothing else was here.
1970s, right?
Yes, that was the biggest towers here in 1970.
That in the middle, the black one in
yeah,
the
the
middle.
3.
Ah, the
all
three.
3. All 3.
Oh.
The Beamer wasn't here. The brown one wasn't there.
No.
This one wasn't here. Nothing. Well, the
Charlatans?
the Sheridan was not there yet,
Oh.
and City Hall was just being built.
Oh, okay.
So City Hall was being built almost the same time as the TD.
Right.
But everything
God.
else, it was all flat, like no buildings.
Wow. Back in the 70s,
Yeah,
huh?
in the 70s. And from
This is the
train station,
train
Union
station, the Union
yeah.
Station, yeah.
So at one time,
Yeah.
from Center Island,
Yeah.
you could see the Royal York Hotel.
Mm.
Now you can't see it anymore.
Yeah. My God.
That stood out. That was one of the biggest things here.
Wow. I can't even see the old building near the City Hall.
Yeah. And his Pickering is over there,
Oh,
way in the back.
oh, layo ay.
Yeah.
Very far.
Because it's where the water comes all the way in. That would be Frenchman's Bay.
Yeah, Frenchman.
Way
Oh,
down
the
there.
Frenchman's Bay. Okay. Wow.
It's quite a ways. On a clear day, you might see it with binoculars, right?
Mm.
But it's overcast.
My God. Grabe guys. Punta na nga din namin itong 1970s. Ako na food me. Nangaon sila guys. Nangaon sila. Actually guys, gutom na ako. Gutom na ako guys. Down. Woo! Kahumat. Hindi kaot guys. Hindi na food me the race. Oh. Grabe.
Yes, yeah, you see? That's the new tower.
Scotia. Sorry. Scotia Bank Arena guys. Scotia Bank Arena and the train station. So we're there, Union Station. The train track. Bahan ni ate dito.
Wait,
Hmm? Yeah. Pakay si ate. Yan may... It's okay tayo. CIBC. Wow. Grabe. This building is not even here in the 70s. But now, grabe ang Canada guys. Sa Toronto. Ninaw yun na niya kay kami nakabalo. Kami yung nakabalo guys. Kaldoy na yung nakabalo. So, back in the 70s, wala pa rin siya ng mga buildings guys. But now, naala yun siya guys. Sa ako naman. Back in the 70s, wala rin guys. Pero karoon, wako na kayo. Wala na mga buildings, high-rise buildings. Grabe guys. Another angle there guys.
Una ko mag-fireworks gani,
Oo.
yung mga boats.
Oo.
Namato sila dito sa
Center Island.
dito, atong dito dapit sa Woodbine Beach. Asa
Mm.
Woodbine? Dito man siguro pikas.
Oo.
Manibog ko.
Dito man daw ang Pickering, layo kayo. Yung Kaloy. Na dito daw Fisherman's Bay. Oh. There's upstairs. So, resume. Ang dami na rin sa, ano guys, na yung mga pagkaonan din rin. At mahal. So, we have to go around. Bistros. Guys, grabe. Kan yung tao, guys. Ano na, left-handed mo, boy? Right-handed mo, ano?
Tao kayo, no?
Oh.
Billy Bishop.
Dari man taon na ni sulod. Tama. Okay. So, balik kami guys.
Lower glass and the higher glass.
Guys. That's now guys.
That's scary. Apat po, apat. Carlos. Oh, this is so weird. Okay, me.
Guys.
Closer.
It's a glass. I think it's a lower glass.
You can't really tell. You can't tell how deep it is.
Kanina glass guys. Kanina glass.
Like this, right?
Kita na.
It's not that clear.
Yeah. Ito dito sa ulos. Lower glass.
That's far, right?
Yeah.
That's really
Kami namin sa higher glass. We are here at the higher glass, guys. Guys, we're going down sa lower glass.
This one you might get a better picture.
Yeah. Kung nga po, daydiri o, nindot po, daydiri tiyo. No? Tite, darate. Lower glass. So, this is it guys. Yeah. Guys, bawa na rin.
Good.
My God! Look at me, guys. Look at me. Look at me, guys. Yeah. David, you want to pay?
Okay, mahadlok mag. Okay. Okay, go.
So is it filming?
Just click it.
Okay.
Click.
Face your fear.
Okay.
No fear. Look.
Not looking down.
Look at ate. Look at ate. He's sitting at the glass.
Looking up there.
Awa guys, baba. It's filming with numbers, counting.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. It's Carlos who are filming, guys. Face no fear. Face your fear.
Stay there.
No fear. Wala akong mga tao guys na enjoy sila. So here, economy. Yo.
So this is where you see the thing like this with the white ball.
Mars Macallan and
I was trying to see if I can see my truck, but I can't. It's over there somewhere.
Yeah.
Over there. No,
Yeah.
you can't see.
Carlos
The
Trucks.
truck's so tiny and the
No, it's not that. It's the buildings are in the way.
There's Kosha. Wow. Again, makita niyo guys. Kung sa kanindot din sa CN Tower. Makita niyo guys. Ayun. Ang CN Tower. So, mundi kami ganina ang katong Union Station. The train track. So, good guys. Good guy. Tura, Sheraton, Hilton, City Hall. You can even see the old building. Hindi na ako makita ang old building, diba? Itong old na,
siguro sa
itong, di ba dool man to sa City Hall?
Ang black mo, no?
Dili, katong yung karaan kayo na building. Itong tapad ato sa may City Hall. Itong si Justice ba to? Hall of Justice.
Ah, di man na makita na
Oh,
tabunan naman.
tabunan,
Kaya
no?
diri man to siya dapit.
Mm.
Tabunan ani nga building. Oh.
Mm.
Kana sigurong brown, oh.
Well, the Eaton Center
Mm.
is
Yeah.
where that CF is.
Oh,
See
okay.
CF?
Oh, yeah.
That's kind of like Fairview. That's the Eaton Center.
Oo.
O niya,
How
ang
about
dapat
the
ato mo tong
Justice? Hall of
You can't
oh.
see it because it's behind that white
Yeah.
building.
Tabunan lang.
Oh,
It's short, eh?
shorter.
So it's left of there, but you can't see it.
Mm.
You can't. It's too.
It's too short. They built too many high buildings around it.
Grabe.
Open.
So, mga guys.
So,
Yeah.
na at bang City Hall, Sheraton, Hilton.
Hilton. Yung mga hotel diri guys.
Oh my God.
RBC guys. RBC, Rizal Banking Corporation. It's not Rizal. Yeah. Toronto is Toronto.
But it's so hard because I can't see myself. So I'm like,
Wow.
This one is you pay.
You pay this one?
I don't know. Only one guest per day. Per bay. Keep feet on the floor. Keep face forward and hold on to ground.
oh, I see what you're saying.
What's this? Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Diha dito oh. Kana oh. Kana oh. Yeah, yeah. Like that.
Oh, they want you to go up and look.
You have to pay?
I already
Yeah.
Si quieres hacerlo así,
Yeah, we did. Go ahead.
para así,
Okay.
ponelo pero
Presyo na natin.
ponlo para el frente.
Not scary?
No.
Yeah.
It's scary or no?
Oh.
No es así como está el señor.
You're outside, it would be.
Se hace para el frente, se hace para el frente.
It's like begin an exercise. Push up.
My God. No?
No,
It's not scary?
No.
Should I try?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can
I'm
try.
scared.
You're not gonna do it.
Yeah.
No, I can't.
Yeah, I told you not scary.
Because you know why?
Yeah.
There's a structure here.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs now and do it.
Yeah, you can. There's okay.
Let's go upstairs and do it.
No, I.
With the wind going.
Yeah. That's it, eh?
Yeah.
So, have to go down. How can we go down?
So, that's it guys. Mauna to guys. So, pababa namin no. So, we have to go down. The main top. We're back here. So, guys, there is a glass floor. Yay! Here we are. Here you go, guys. Yeah. Come on. Do I have to see? You guys. Do I have to see? Guys, nalagyan guys. Mababa na yun. Linya gapon. Busy kayo dito sa glass floor. So, bababa na yun. Excuse us.
Yeah.
There's a
Guide sound.
Kani hilingan
Ha?
ni ang daan na jersey.
Yan kanina na.
Kinaabligid sa tumago.
Naiboton.
Takes less than a minute for the elevator to go to the ground.
Wow, that fast.
They were following
Guys, Toronto Harbor. Toronto Harbor, guys. And the CN Tower. Here it is, guys.
Here.
It's really fast.
And you see bone.
Ako din yan.
Oh my god, it's fast. It's fast.
What's up?
Hi guys, bababa na mi guys.
Whoa.
Fast kaya.
Coming down. Kung nabungol.
Yeah.
Ako pong ilong.
No.
Grabe. Paspas.
Train tracks.
Grabe. Ito magbungol.
Mm.
It's 1 minute and 15 seconds. 1 minute and labas na mi, labas na mi.
Pandakot dito.
Ako. Grabe.
Pandakot kwarta.
Ganun yung mag, pero mahal mong good ni ba? No? Around na natong mag kadilan to. Ilan yung price?
Ano ka dito sa
15 eh.
mahal dito.
15 jud. Oh. Yeah. Mahal jud kayo. Yeah. The mag. Yeah.
How much here?
How much here?
Carlos, you have
14. Double.
15.
lagi te. Ayo. Ito. Adi mo agi man ta niya na may nagpicture good. Yeah, wagi ta. Ito bugnan siya. There we go. Gawas na mi guys. Labas na mi. Bye-bye, CN. Bye. Kana to diha. Here lang. Lawa ko guys. Woo! Sunod ko. Tuyok. Kakabalo ato Kulong. So here at the Rogers Center guys. Huh. Te. Last te. Sige, ako na. Carlos is taking the stairs. And kami ni ate dirimi sa elevator. Dirimi padulong. Here we go. Kalalabas lang naman.
Hil.
Ha?
Yan na siya, oh. Katuba.
Ah. He's pointing at the sausage. Here. Nice one, guys.